All right, y'all. So I started my SisterLock journey today. I know it doesn't really look like it, but I did. I've only been natural since September, so it's been about 3 months. So yeah, but I started my journey today. I actually got the test locks put in, like the starter locks that they put in. I think she put 2 in the center, maybe 2 back here, 2 on this side. But I guess that's supposed to tell like the pattern of your hair or how she is gonna lock it or twist it or whatever when you actually get the installation done. And I'm supposed to wash my hair on the 7th and 14th day. Don't use any heat on the locks, like after I wash it, like don't straighten it or anything. And what else did she, oh, and don't condition it. So, and she also said hopefully like she'll be able to keep those locks in, but she may not be able to, but it's supposed to like help tell the pattern that she's gonna lock my hair. I have no idea. But anyway, so yeah, I started my SisterLock journey today, and my mom has SisterLock. She's had them for maybe 3 or 4 years now, and I've just been so back and forth with it. Like I've never been natural. I've always done perms and have always just had my hair done or either had weaves and stuff like that. So I did just kind of got tired of it though. Like I got tired of perming my hair, and it was like breaking my hair off, permanent so much. And then just the cost of getting it done. Like first off, having to buy the weave. I'm sure many of you know, like it's not cheap, and then having to pay for someone to do it. It was just becoming a lot and more of a headache, and I just feel like I was so jealous of my mom just being able to like get up and go, and I want that. Like I want that lifestyle of being able to get up and go, because like right now even the whole natural thing is like stressing me out. That's why I have this headband on, because it's just like more new growth than I can really handle. So yes, I do still have perm in my hair because I refuse to cut it that short. Like I just can't. I don't have enough new growth, so it would literally, I don't know, I would look like, I don't know, I might look like a man or something, you know? So I do have like a lot of perm in my hair. Like I don't have that much new growth, but I do have enough new growth to get the SisterLock started. So what my loctician said is it loctician? Curtis told me the word and now I can't remember. Loctician. Hopefully that's right. Is basically she will lock my hair from the new growth on, and then like where it's permed at, she'll obviously have to stop. So I'm really nervous of what that is gonna look like, but I just want to get it started, and I'm tired of waiting, and she's doing like a December special right now. So I don't know, I'm just really tired of waiting. So I was just like, you know what, whatever, I'm just gonna go for it, because I would have to wait. For one, I'm not about like cutting my hair and all of that, so I would have to wait so long before I could actually get it locked, to wait for all of this perm to grow out. So what she told me was she will lock it from like the new growth on and then stop like where it's permed. And then she said in about a year, she'll cut the perm out, and she feels that I will be at a length to where I'm comfortable enough to cut my hair. And I don't want short hair. Like I don't want to be miserable in the process. I mean, I don't know if that's bad to say, but I don't want to be miserable in the whole journey, the SisterLock journey. Like I don't want to be unhappy for like, God, I would have to cut my hair pretty short for like years. So I would probably be unhappy for like 2 or 3 years. I don't want that. I'm hoping it's gonna look okay. She said that she'll do it and then she'll like rod it so it's kind of curly. I mean, of course, I'll show y'all a video after I get it done. But yeah, and sorry I sound crazy, I'm a little sick. We went to New York over the weekend, and it's freaking freezing there, and I came back sounding like this. But so I go in 2 weeks to actually have them installed, which I'm super excited. My loctician, she does hers in 1 day. I know some people do them in like more than 1 day or something like that, but she does hers in 1 day. I'll go at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'll be there all day until they're done. So the next time you see me, I will actually have my SisterLocks in. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm just so over just perming my hair and straightening it and just putting so much heat onto it. Like I can tell that it's very, very damaged. It's not as strong or as healthy as it used to be. So I'm just hoping this will help, and it'll just kind of be some like weight off my shoulders, not having to stress about my hair so much. So the next time you guys see me, I will have SisterLocks, and I'm super excited. I'm really excited to like share the journey too, because I know it's going to be a journey. but I'm ready for it. All right, guys, so today's the day. It is 3:48. My appointment's at 4 a.m. Yes, but she said it should, since I don't have a lot of new growth, like I told you guys before, like they had very little new growth, so she said it shouldn't take like a full 14 to 16 hours. She actually thinks it'll only take 12 hours. So I am on my way to her, and I got plenty of snacks, water. I don't know. I really hope it just comes out okay, like decent looking, since I don't have that much new growth, you know. That's what just makes me so nervous, but I just want to get it started, because if I don't start now, I will perm my hair again. And I know me, because I've done it before. Like, I was supposed to get SisterLocks, and then like I decided not to at the time, so I was gonna like go natural and wait a little bit, and then I couldn't take it anymore, so I permed my hair. So next time you see me, I will have my locks. I'll definitely keep you guys updated as much as I can, but here we go. I wasn't able to video last night after I left my establishment because it was so late. It took about 14 hours. It was a really, really long day, but they are done. And here I am. I kind of just have it in a pony right now because I'm really not sure, like, I guess I just have to work with it, you know, like you have to work with it in the beginning and till it gets to the way it's supposed to look or whatever, like SisterLock look. But so far so good. It's not too bad. I don't really feel like, I don't know. I don't feel like it looks that bad. Like, it's just, when I first got them done, I had got them rotted, so I had curls in them. So the curls are still a little there, but I straightened some of them out because I just wasn't like feeling them because they were so tight. And I look like Shirley Temple, so I was just like, wasn't feeling that. But, all right, sorry. The thing went black. But, yeah, I don't know. I mean, so far so good. I guess I'll just keep documenting, like once a month, I guess. I go back in 3 weeks just to make sure everything is still good, and she'll see if they need to be like retightened then, or if like any of them are like starting to like come unraveled or something. She'll just check them and see. Yeah, so I'll take them out of the ponytail. So, is this still recording? Yeah. Okay, so this is them out of the ponytail. You can kind of see that they have like a little bit of wave still in them from the curls. So, I don't know. I guess that doesn't really look that bad out of the pony either. I mean, I was trying to figure out like, oh, how am I going to like style my hair until they start looking like SisterLocks, until my perm grows out a little bit more, but I don't know. Curtis is going to come in here and give y'all like a 360 view. And help me like y'all see like the back of it and everything. But this is it down, and I don't know. Looks pretty good, right? Especially for like not for my whole head not to be natural. Like half of it's permed. Like I said, Curtis will show you like a better view of it, but you can kind of see like where the locks start and where the perm still is. So, I mean, you know, all that perm still has to grow out. And like she said, if the perm doesn't grow out within 9 months to a year, then, well, it's not going to grow out. There's no way all of this, like my hair is pretty long. So it's no way like all of it's going to grow out within that time. So she's going to cut the perm out. But like I said before, like she said, by the time like a year comes, she thinks it'll be to a length to where I'm like comfortable enough to actually get it cut out. So yeah, so far so good. I mean, it's only the first day. Ooh, battery's dying, and Curtis still has to do his video, so I'm gonna let him come in here and do like a 360. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I'm definitely gonna document it. A lot of people think that they can't get their hair done, or they actually have consultants or locticians tell them, like my loctician was telling them that they can't get their hair done until the perm has grown out, or you either have to cut it up until like where your natural hair is. And she said that's definitely not true. Like, she doesn't know why people or locticians like don't let other people, you know, start their journey with some of their hair like with perm in it, like with relaxer in it, and you totally can. So I'm definitely just gonna show you guys how it works for me, like having majority of my hair still relaxed and still having SisterLock started. So therefore I don't have to wait so long to get them started. I didn't have to cut my hair super short just to get them started. All right, y'all, so yeah, as you can see, like I do have a few like short pieces, like especially right here in the center, which has been my problem spot forever, which is another reason I need to stop relaxing my hair and just go natural, because it literally has not grown back. I've probably had that issue for about like 12 years now. So there are a couple short ones, but I mean, I know they'll eventually catch up with the others. A few short ones in the back. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This will probably be my go-to hairstyle right here. This is the best one I found so far. But if y'all have any questions, just let me know. Drop them in the comment section below. I'll be showing more videos as well, or more updates as the months go on. And I'll also leave all of my information below for you to follow me and just see like my hair. I'll be posting like different pictures and stuff of my hair. So I'll be leaving all that Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat information down below as well, so you can follow me, and you'll also see like more updates on my hair versus just like the monthly YouTube videos. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye guys.